This is what happens when garlic enters a factory built to process it by the ton. But how does a hard, ordinary garlic bulb become this incredibly smooth paste?
Every day, mountains of garlic enter factories like this one. But before this simple bulb becomes the smooth garlic paste sitting in a jar, an incredible industrial transformation has to happen. And the final product looks surprisingly simple. The real story is everything that happens before it reaches the jar. The process begins with raw garlic arriving by the pallet load. Each bulb is protected by several layers of dry skin, hiding the cloves that will eventually become the paste.
From receiving, the garlic enters a continuous production system, designed to process enormous quantities without stopping.
And this isn't a small kitchen operation. Everything here is designed for industrial-scale production. But before processing begins, the raw material has to pass its first quality check. Automated vision systems search for damaged, moldy, severely discolored, or unsuitable bulbs. Good garlic stays in the production stream. Anything that fails inspection is removed before it can affect the batch. At this scale, even a small percentage of rejected bulbs can mean hundreds of kilograms removed automatically. Once inspected, the bulbs move toward one of the first major transformations, separating them into individual cloves. The machine applies controlled mechanical force, breaking apart the bulb without unnecessarily damaging the cloves. In seconds, whole bulbs have become thousands of individual cloves. Loose skins are separated from the heavier cloves before the main peeling operation. Now the factory uses controlled air pressure to loosen the stubborn outer skin. Then comes one of the most satisfying moments. The paper-thin skins are blasted away, while the clean cloves fall. And underneath that dry shell is the clean white clove the factory actually wants. The removed skins are extracted from the processing stream, while the cleaned cloves continue forward. After peeling, the cloves enter a thorough washing stage. Multiple washing stages remove remaining particles, skin fragments, and surface contamination. Soft mechanical brushes help clean the cloves without turning them into a crushed mass too early.
Excess water is removed as the clean cloves move toward their final inspection.
One more automated inspection removes cloves that don't meet the factory's quality standards.
Now the factory finally has its ideal raw ingredient: clean, peeled garlic cloves.
And this is where the biggest visual transformation begins. Whole cloves are rapidly broken down into small pieces.
At this point, it isn't paste yet. It is still a coarse, intensely aromatic garlic mixture.
The coarse mixture immediately moves into a second grinding stage. With every pass, the particle size becomes smaller and the texture becomes smoother. Now the garlic has crossed the line, from chopped ingredient to industrial puree. It looks like paste now. But the factory isn't finished. The texture still has one major problem to solve. But the factory still isn't satisfied with this texture. A fine screening stage removes larger fibers and unwanted particles.
The goal is a more uniform paste with a consistent mouthfeel.
And now the difference is obvious. The mixture is much smoother than it was only minutes earlier. The refined paste now enters a massive mixing tank. Here, powerful agitators keep the entire batch moving and help maintain a uniform consistency.
Meanwhile, operators continuously monitor the production system. Line 3. Increase the flow rate to Sector B from a centralized control room.
Copy that. Adjust. Once the mixture reaches the required consistency, it travels through sealed stainless steel pipelines. It looks like paste now. But the factory isn't finished. The texture still has one major problem to solve. But before packaging, the paste undergoes another critical quality check.
Samples are evaluated to confirm that the paste has the required texture and consistency.
Additional testing helps verify that the finished product meets the factory's safety and quality requirements. At the same time, sensors continuously monitor critical processing conditions throughout the line. Next comes one of the most important texture-forming stages, homogenization. Homogenization helps create an even, consistent paste, rather than a mixture of noticeably different particle sizes. And finally, the garlic has become the smooth paste consumers recognize.
From here, the finished paste is held under controlled conditions until it is ready for filling.
Now another transformation begins. The paste must be turned into a retail-ready product.
Empty containers are prepared and positioned before the filling operation.
And this machine can fill hundreds of containers in a continuous operation.
Precision nozzles dispense carefully controlled portions into every container.
Instead of filling one jar at a time, the automated system works across multiple lanes at once. And this is where the factory's speed becomes almost unbelievable. Hundreds of jars are being filled at the same time. Immediately afterward, cameras check that every container has the correct fill level.
Next, each filled container is sealed to protect the product. Caps are then placed and tightened automatically at high speed.
Now the plain containers finally become recognizable retail products. Every label is positioned with machine-level precision. Before packaging, every finished jar passes through a final automated inspection. If a container fails inspection, the system removes it automatically. The approved products continue toward the final stage, shipping.
Robotic arms organize the finished jars into shipping cases with remarkable speed.
The cases are closed, sealed, and immediately palletizing. Robotic palletizers stack thousands of finished containers into organized shipping pallets. Protective wrapping secures each pallet for transport. And the journey that started with a single garlic bulb has now reached the finished goods warehouse. Here,
thousands of cases can wait for distribution before heading to stores and commercial kitchens. What looks like one jar on a store shelf represents an entire chain of industrial operations behind the scenes.
From the warehouse, finished products are loaded for distribution.
Think about the transformation: bulb, clove, crushed garlic, puree, refined paste, and finally, a sealed product. And every one of those steps is connected by a carefully engineered production system. Machines provide the speed and precision, while trained workers monitor the process and keep the operation running safely. After all that machinery, inspection, and precision, the final result is remarkably simple: smooth garlic paste. Millions of cloves can travel through this journey, from raw harvest to finished paste, without ever requiring the factory. One simple bulb has traveled through dozens of machines and inspections to become this final product, from raw garlic to thousands of jars ready for the world. So the next time you open a jar of garlic paste, transformed by an enormous and human control, from millions of cloves to one smooth spoonful,